Open your Store One dashboard and click on the Configure button of the Buy Now Button Addon. First, enable the addon. In the Settings tab, you can configure the Buy Now button separately for both the archive page and the single product page. For the archive page, enable the button display and choose the position where the Buy Now button should appear. You can customize the button text, set a default quantity, and even replace the default Add to Cart button if needed. Trigger type allows you to control where the button should appear. When you select a trigger type, its settings appear for you. And you can also exclude specific products, categories, or on-sale products. Similarly, under the single page section, the same setting options are given as on the archive page. Next, move to the Action and Behavior tab. Here, you can select the action performed after clicking the Buy Now button, such as redirecting users directly to the checkout page. You can also enable the option to reset the cart before processing the Buy Now action. Supported product types like simple, variable, and external products can also be selected from here. In the Style tab, you can customize the button appearance. You can either use the default theme style or switch to a custom style. If you select Custom Style, additional settings are available to change the background color, text color, padding, border radius, and more to match your store design. On the right side, you can see the live preview of the Buy Now button for both the single product page and shop page layouts. The preview updates instantly as you make changes, helping you visualize how the button will appear to customers. After completing all the settings, click on Save. Now, let's see the final preview. On the shop page, the Buy Now button appears directly with the product. On the single product page, the Buy Now button is displayed under the Add to Cart section based on the selected placement and style settings. Users can directly go to the checkout page using this button, as we selected it as the action. This helps improve the checkout experience and speeds up the purchasing process. Thanks for watching the doc walkthrough.